In this video, I'll show you how you can make a presentation in Canva. I'll explain all of the features about Canva and how you can use them to essentially make a professional looking presentation. Now this will be a quick and simple video, so let's jump into it. So first you want to go to canva.com, and if you haven't already, make your account on Canva. You can create a 100% free account. Now once you've created your account, you'll be on the Canva homepage, and from here you can go ahead and find a presentation template. So if you go to this search bar and then just type in presentation, Canva will then show you all of the templates you can edit. Alternatively, you can create one from a blank document, but I would just recommend you use a template because it just makes it much easier, and you can kind of see the final product, the color scheme, and what it will look like before you actually make it. Now you'll notice when we clicked on presentation, we now have 21,000 templates. So if we go to all filters, we can scroll down and we can filter through these via style. You've got different themes here. Do you want a business theme, black theme, corporate, company, marketing, and so on? And also what I recommend you do, if you go to the bottom, you can go ahead and check the free presentations. And if you've got a free version of Canva, that's just going to get rid of all of the paid ones. So all of these here that you can use. You can see there are 8,000. So go ahead and choose one which suits you and your project. Again, I'm just going to go to all filters and we'll just filter again for marketing. Okay, so we can use all of these for our marketing presentation. Again, you will have obviously your own presentation and your own objective. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this one, and you'll notice these presentations have many pages. You don't have to use all of the pages, you can edit them, and I'm going to just cover that right now. So if you click on the presentation you want, you then want to go customize this template, and that will load into the Canva editor. Now, by default, it's going to import the first page, but if you want all of the pages, which I recommend, click apply to all 14 pages, and it will then add all of the 14 pages, or however many pages your presentation's got, into Canva. Now, don't worry if you don't use all of these, you can delete them, and we'll just run through real quick some features about Canva and how you can use them. So the first one would be every element that you see here can be edited. So here you can see they've got their logo and obviously text. If we wanted to delete these, we can just click on whatever we want to delete, then click backspace or delete on the keyboard, and that will go. You can also highlight elements and delete them as well. If you make a mistake, you can go ahead and click undo here, or just click Ctrl Z on your keyboard. So you can go ahead and edit any of this text. So I'm going to highlight this first one and just type in knowledge. And you'll notice that we need to make the text box a bit bigger. And with Canva, you can really customize anything here. I'm going to also highlight the text and we'll bring down the font size. Then for the second one, I'll type base. So here you can see we've got KnowledgeBase. I'm going to just check here what the font size is. It happens to be 110. And I'm going to make this one also 110 as well. Okay, so now we've done that. We can also resize these, and you can also change the font, the text styles, and any of the text elements you can all change up here, look. Okay, so that's how you can add text and delete elements. Now, if you go ahead and go over to the left here to the Elements tab, you can go ahead and then search for elements. You can use Canva's elements like their shapes, their graphics. They've got image generators. You can show your data in tables. And there are a lot of things you can do really inside of Canva. Charts as well. If you want to add some charts to visually show stuff, you can add those charts. And obviously like input the data. So like 67%, and you could be like 30% of viewers come from search. And you can like visualize that data with charts. Then moving on to the next page, again, everything here can be edited. If you don't want their photo, you can delete it. And once you delete it, you'll notice there is a frame. So frames can be found in the element section as well. And what a frame will do, if you just add it to the screen, you can then snap a photo to this frame. So we can go ahead and upload our own photo, or we can just search for one here in Canva. So I could just search here for sunset, and it will then give us all of the photos we can use, graphics, videos of sunset. So if we can then go see all, we can then drag on a photo, and notice how it just snaps to the frame. It's actually a really handy feature and great to look at if you want to just add an image quickly and easily. For me though, I'm just going to upload a photo, so I can go to the upload section, and once you upload a video onto Canva or a photo, they will save and you can use them again. To upload files, just click upload files, and then you can upload from browse. I'll just upload this random thumbnail, And once it's been uploaded, we can then drag it onto our frame like so. Now again, we can customize all of this text, the font, we can add more text with the text tool here. And if you go to the text tool, you can add not just default text, you can also add like pre-formatted text. So if you go see all, here are some of the text elements we can add. And then if you've created your presentation, but let's say you don't want a page, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots down here and you can delete page. One last thing, you can also add transitions. So if you hover over where the two pages meet, you can add a page if you want to add a page in between, or you can add transitions, and here are some of the transitions. Now, once you've created your presentation, you can go ahead and present it in the top right, or if you want to share it with someone, click share, and here you can get a copy link, you can download it, or if you want to present it and you want to like take it with you somewhere, you can just grab the link. Then when you go back to your computer, you then go to this link, only you'll be able to see it with this link. But you can just go back to this link easily if you make a note, and then you can just go ahead and click present, and then present to view or present full screen. And then obviously you will go and make your presentation to whoever you're trying to present to, and it looks really good and it's all customized. So that's how you can create a presentation in Canva. I hope that quick video did help you out.